The baby is watching mommy eat. They drink water for the first time today. I saw them drinking water. Look. This one is so chubby. Look. How big he getting. Hello. Come. Look at your little face. Oh, it's so cute. And he's spitting at me. He's so sweet. Look. Look at that cute face. Oh my goodness. Cuteness overload. Again. And this one is playing. Look. He does come out. He comes out the cage. He follows me and comes out. Look. Come. Come. Come, baby. Uh, Come. Hmm. Look, he's coming. When I call him, he comes. Look, he's come out the cage now. He's coming to see me. Hello. Oh my God, he's so brave. Because they're used to me around him now. He could hardly walk. Look at that little chubby thing. Mommy's eating. She was out just now. They start playing with each other, I noticed. Like fighting. They start fighting and playing now. They're really growing up now. Beautiful. Hello. They're not afraid of me. They just, because they're so used to me. Look at him coming. Oh, he's come to me. Look at that. Not even scared. Look at him come to me. Look. Hello, baby. Look at the cute little face, man. Little floor ball. It's like a little four ball. Oh my God. Cuteness overload. It's so beautiful. Look a fatty thing going in. He's gonna find his way back in. Look. What is that one doing on the floor up there and can't get up? Look. Little cute. Playing. Mommy's minding her business eating. She ain't even studying them. Hello. You gonna come now? I wonder if this one is coming to see me. Come. Come on.